Politika ba o political alliance ang pagbisita ni PBBM sa Naga para makipagpulong kay former Vice President Leni Robredo? Ayon sa Pangulo, serbisyo muna bago politika. At sa isyong tatakbo si Fiona bilang presidente sa 2028, kibit balikat lang ang naging sagot ni PBBM.
Ano mo, hindi namin pinag-uusapan yun. Alam mo, I think the mayor will agree with me na serbisyo muna bago politika. The most political thing that we did today, I wore my pink socks. My pink socks in honor of Mayor Leni.
President, may nagsasabi po kasi na ipagbisita niyo daw po dito ay sagot dun sa pagdedeklara ni Vice President Sara.
We have been planning this for a few months already. Because talagang naging critical ito especially with the storms that came in. Then I already instructed the SecPins and SecPing to look at the situation here. Because, you know, we know that Bicol is always the pathway of the storms, but the immediate problem that we saw, the change in pattern that we saw, is yung bigat ng bagsak ng ulan. Dati hindi naman ganun marami. You got 700 in one day, 700 centimeters of rain in one day. Ano yan, patumpas ng amin lang ba yan?
Lampas po siya sa Ondoy and Yolanda.
Yeah, that's very significant, and that's why it became critical. So, we did not discuss. Serbisyo muna bago politika. Marami pang kailangan gawin. Marami pa kami kailangan gawin. So, we will get to that. Abutin tayo.
Mr. President, ano po yung reaction ninyo sa announcement ni VP Sara na tatakbo siya sa pagkapangulo sa 2020?
Again,
Ano pong masasabi niyo dun sa announcement?
nothing really. That's her choice.
Mr. President, how about the willingness of Senator Amy to run alongside Vice President Sara?
Again, this is all politics. We're not going to